To simplify the nested radical, the square root of 13 minus 2 root 30. We write 13 as 10 plus 3 and minus 2 root 30. Then 10 can also be written as the square root of 10 all squared, while 3 can be written as the square root of 3 all squared minus 2 root 30 is written as 10 times 3. We are going to rearrange this to give us the square root of root 10 squared. Then we bring the last term into the middle and write it as minus 2 root 10 times root 3 plus root 3 all squared. The middle term is expressed as root 10 times root 3 because the square root of the product AB is the same thing as the square root of A times the square root of B. Now, recall that when we have A squared minus 2AB plus B squared, this factors as the perfect squared A minus B all squared. Applying this to the expression above, root 10 can be likened to A, while root 3 is B. Then the middle term is minus 2 times root 10 times root 3. So we can factor the entire expression in the square root as root 10 minus root 3 squared, where the square and the square root cancel out, thus giving us root 10 minus root 3 as the answer. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to get more updates from us.